Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, 'cause I believe it. So from this song, you must have guessed today's topic. Yes, today I am going to draw the portrait of Jungkook from BTS. The portrait is used from the cover image of FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 soundtrack Dreamers. For doing this portrait, divide all the face part like this. If you are a beginner, take any picture and convert it to a black and white image. After this, divide all the parts of the face with lines. Now you can measure all the lines using a divider. I will cover all the techniques in my next video. So after drawing all the lines, now draw the eyes and then draw all the other parts. This is the first time I am trying pencil sketching, so it won't be that great. To be honest, I don't like realistic sketching that much. I like to see other artists drawing, but don't like to do my own. I prefer rough sketches more.